Hi, I'm Clay by Jason, and I'm giving up everything to pursue the career of pottery. This is Heen. What are you going to say? So, I've been putting off filming videos for ages, and I don't know why. I may as well start. And basically, the title of this is going to be I'm giving up everything and going to pursue pottery. I kind of want to just take you on the journey of both pursuing my own creative journey here, and also I'm building a pottery studio. If you can hear that, that is my dog drinking his water. But yeah, I've kind of given up on everything and I'm going to pursue pottery as a career. Half of it was forced on me by life circumstances, which throughout videos we can get into more. But life has sort of thrown me a curveball and I figured I may as well start documenting it because there's going to be a lot of changing, a lot of things happening, and yeah. So hopefully you join me on the journey. I don't know, there's probably like 10 people watching this at the beginning, even if you just come along for the doggo. But yeah, I've got my wheel, my kiln, a lot of clay, and a lot of ideas. I'd love to do a how to throw tutorial. I'd love to do a bunch of learnings. I'll do a come start a pottery business with me. Exciting things is I'm applying for premises at the moment, and when I actually get access to them, I'll bring you along with me to them. I'll do some what I'm making, what I'm doing things, and honestly, I'm just trying to get comfortable in front of a camera. So sorry if the videos start out a bit boring, but hopefully they'll get more interesting, and you know, that's that. So yeah, thanks for joining me on this journey. I'm Jason. This is Clay by Jason. I'm opening a studio called The Kiln. It's based in the Shoalhaven in the south coast of New South Wales. Don't swat me, please. That'd be nice. I know I don't really need to worry about that right now when I don't have any audience, but yeah, that'd be cool. Yeah, if you have questions, follow along, write in the comments, subscribe for this journey that we're going on. Yeah, I'll bring you along most of the steps. There's lots of ups, lots of downs. And if you want to come to a class or hang out with me even, that'd be great. So yeah, things are moving, things are changing. I'm using a potter's knife for the microphone clip. Not super safe, but I thought it was fun. So follow along, subscribe, and thanks for joining me. Nothing crazy in this video, but figured I'd do something. I've been doing pottery for almost 4 years now. And this has sort of been a dream of mine ever since I was young to start a journey like this. I've always been a musician, a creative, an artist. I have some fun philosophies. I will try and keep politics out of this because I don't love politics, but I love philosophy and thought processes and questioning everything in existence. So if you like that, follow along. I also love teaching and love sharing these stories and messages with you. I hate editing, so if there's not lots of editing in here, I apologize in advance. I will try and do my best, and I'm sure as I enjoy this more and get used to it more, there'll be more cool edits and cool cuts and stuff. But yeah, right now, it's kind of more of just a long form podcast episode. And yeah, hope you enjoy it. I'll try and keep it chill. I'm trying to live a chill life, trying to fight off them depressive demons. And thanks for joining me. Like, follow, subscribe, anything, even if you have ideas or I don't know, thumbs up in the comments, all those cool YouTube things. Yeah, thanks.